In this video, I'm going to show you how to change nickname on Discord. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Discord application and then hit these three lines to be able to select a server. All you're gonna know about changing nickname on Discord is that you can change nickname for each individual server, and to do that just select the server from this left menu and then hit these three dots icon and there tap on edit server profile. Now there in nickname field you can tap on it and type there any nickname that you want and then hit save. This action changes your nickname just for that server and doesn't change your main nickname on Discord, and you can check it right there. So guys, that's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.